Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you a full step-by-step guide on how to play Fortnite on your school iPad. Yes, even with school restriction. Let's jump right into it. First, open Safari. Make sure you are using private mode. That way it won't save anything to your history. Next, we are going to use a tool called Bookbird. It helps bypass restriction and work well for this method. Now in the search bar type GeForce Now. Look for the link that starts with this, but don't click it just yet. Instead, copy the link and open a new tab and paste it here. Once it loads, tap on the share icon and choose Add to Home Screen. This step makes it work like a regular app. Super handy. Now go to your home screen and tap the GeForce Now icon. It will just like an app, tap Login. You will need an NVIDIA account to play. If you don't have one, no worries. Just create a free account right here. I'm going to sign in real quick. Once you are logged in, you are good to go. Launch Fortnite game from GeForce Now. Sometimes the loading takes a time, but it works great once it's in. And if you want to connect an Xbox controller, just turn it on and hold the pairing button until it starts blinking. Then go to your iPad's Bluetooth setting. It should show up there. And that's it. Fortnite on your school iPad is ready. No jailbreak, no hacks. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.